Hey YouTube, today we're going to be reviewing a outdoor rock speaker by Episode, engineered by Snap AV. This is the ES Rock 8 SAN. So this particular speaker they make in a couple of versions. They have it in this 8-inch size, and they also make it in a 6-inch, and they have a dual voice coil as well. In an 8 and a 6. This is the stereo version. So, all right, let's open it up and take a look inside the box. I already opened up a few of the other ones, so got your manual there. Now these do have a limited lifetime warranty, which is awesome. A couple of sealed weather speaker cable connectors. And there she blows, all wrapped up. Let me get it out of the box. I'll show you what's up with that. Okay, so I have the speaker out of the box, and this is the sandstone. They also have this in a gray color, and just looks really cool. They even have some texture on the grill here. Paint job is good, and this appears to be at least a 14 gauge cable. Maybe 12, something like that. And you can see where they've sealed the bottom. So it's a two-piece construction. So you've got this probably fiberglass overlay, and then they seal the bottom and then silicone all this. You also have a hook here, so if you want to, screw this or attach it with cable into the ground, keep it from walking off if you're in a high traffic area. Looks good. So we'll show you what our installation is, and walk you through that process. Be back in a minute. So this is our installation location, and we're going to set this up with 2 left speakers and 2 right speakers, versus maybe having a stereo pair here and a stereo pair there. So I think that'll give us a better sound. So this is our layout. I got 4 speakers here that should give us really good coverage, and you can run it, really low volume, and you'll have a good sound. So this is the seating area. So, and then we have another pair of speakers up there above, covering the top deck too. So I'll get these installed, and I'll show you the end result. Okay. So here's my cable I'm going to use today. This is a 14.2 from SCP, and it's rated for direct burial. This is a 500-foot spool, and unfortunately I forgot my portable stand, so I kind of had to make do with what I had, a couple boxes, and this should allow us just to pull this out. So in a pinch, that's something you could do if you need to pull out a bunch of line. So here we go. I need a couple 100 feet, so this should work okay. Okay, so I got my line laid out here, and so I'm going to go underneath the curbing here, and then into the grass, and then under the curbing again, and we're going to go into the house at this location using our conduit here. Some pipe, okay. And then our amp is going to be inside, and there's an office there. When you're burying this stuff, this is direct burial, so it's okay just to bury it. But you want to make sure that you're deep enough here that the lawn guys don't come along and cut this with the edger. So I've gone down probably a good 6 inches, underneath that. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. Alright, so here's our completed outside installation. We put that in right there. Buried all the cable under the rock. I'm going to go along this edge right here to the 4 speakers, one here, and then a couple over here, and there. So I'll take you inside and show you what the inside looks like. Okay, so here's a look at our inside installation. We're using a Sonos Amp, and that's running into our Niles SS4 speaker selector box, and with protection circuitry impedance matching. So I could do another 2 zones off of that. I've got the 2 sets here, 1 and 2, and that's how we're going to run this. And then this will give us app control while we're out by the pool, so we can control everything lounging, or the client can control everything out there. So it should be a good setup. Let's go outside and take a listen to it. Alright, so here's the final installation. The speakers here, one over there. Sounds great, fills the whole area, don't have to have it out too loud. Hey, if you need some outdoor speakers by your pool or garden area, give us a call, 407-351-5798, or hit us up on the web, www.floridahometheaters.com. Appreciate you checking it out. Guys, have a good day.